My name is Emma Zhang from Smile Nation. Imagine condensing the time-consuming analog diagnostic workup into a swift, seamless process. Envision enhancing the patient experience right at the dental chair with improved workflow efficiency. This is no longer just a dream. The mockup exporter is here to make it your new reality. The workflow begins with a quick scan, merging RAYFace and iOS data, capturing the patient's unique smile in just half a second. The resulting 3D image allows for immediate consultation, increasing treatment approval rates and enabling same-day mockup experiences. Setting up is effortless. Begin by installing the RAYFace 3D Smile Design application. Take advantage of our 1-month free trial to explore all the possibilities. You can start the journey on rayteams.com or through the RAYFace application itself with easy navigation to view all apps and selection of RAYFace Smile Design from the RayTeams Cloud. Subscribing to Mockup Exporter is just as simple, whether you are on the website or the RayTeams app. The other way to install the application is from the RayTeams application. You can install RAYFace Smile Design from the RayTeams application menu and subscribe to Mockup Exporter. With RAYFace Smile Design launched, dental design becomes accessible to all, regardless of expertise. Intuitive features like Edit Smile, Transform, Chain Mode, and Freeform empower you to craft the perfect tooth shape using the patient's 3D facial data, a cornerstone feature for any designer. After fine-tuning the design and ensuring the thickness is within the printable range, one click on the mockup button brings your veneers and models to life, ready for 3D printing with Raiden Studio. And for those without the Raiden Studio printer, the export function is your gateway to utilize any available printer with STL files at your disposal. Connect to Raiden printer and print the mockup. Finally, the moment of truth, the fitting of the mockup veneer, culminating in a radiant smile that comes to life within a single day. Wow! Am I the only one who thinks the right person looks more attractive? If you're the owner of a beautiful smile, wouldn't you want to smile more and share the smile more with your loved ones? This concludes the mockup workflow. Try it out now and transform your treatment with new technology.